Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add a pop-up on Wix. So let's go to the Wix editor site. Now you have to go to this pages and menu to select where you want to set the pop-up. I'm gonna set the pop-up this inspiration blocks. So click on this where you want to set, and you can go to the and set a space here. I'm gonna set the pop-up here. Okay, so click on this plus element, add element. Now you can see here interactive section here, interactive, this one. Under this interactive you'll find here pop-ups. You can see welcome, subscribe, promotion, contact. Which kind of pop-up you want? I'm choosing welcome pop-up. Then you have to click on this drag and drop, or you can click on here like this. You can make it small and bigger like this with the mouse. If you want to change it, you can change it with this here. If you want to change the text, you can change the text by here. You can write anything you want. You can change the text size. Okay, change the text size if you want. Here you can change the text color also. You can make it text bold, make it italic, or you can do it color, or any color you want. Like I'm clicking black one. So after editing, you have to click on the page and you'll find here set triggers. Click on set triggers. Then you can see the pop-up name. What should be the pop-up name? You can pop-up name here. I'm writing Techavro to show you just. And you can see that automatically display pop-up on pages. Yes or no. Click on yes or no. That's up to you. That should be yes in my case. Choose a page. Now you have to choose a page where you want to see this pop-up. I'm choosing inspirational blog, this page. Okay, travel resources. You can now cross this one, scroll down, and you can set the schedule. You can link the pop-up here. Okay, so this is how you can basically add a pop-up on Wix. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.